Starting with the great name of Allah, who is omnipresent and omnipotent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound and doing well. Let us start with our today's lecture. Dear students, in our today's lecture we are going to discuss stories. First of all, for stories you need to open up your notebooks of English B, prepare a new page in that, use blue marker for the heading, whereas black marker for highlighting the important terms. The main thing that you need to remember and know regarding the stories is that you are supposed to always write the story in past tense. You can only switch to other tense when you are writing a direct speech. Clear? So keep this thing in your mind clearly, that stories are always written in past tense, and this is the only main thing that you always face problems in that. Clear? So please let us start with our today's lecture. You need to write all these stories in your notebook of English B. Clear? The first one is The Dove and the Bee. What do we call a bee? What do we call a dove? You know it very well. So let us start the story. It is really very interesting one and you need to write it with me. Clear? Let us start writing it. It was a hot summer day. क्या था? इंतहाई गर्मी थी. A bee felt thirsty. She flew to a canal to drink water. वो कहाँ गई? पानी पीने के लिए एक नाले की तरफ गई. Accidentally, she fell into the canal. The current of the water was very strong. पानी की लहरें जो थी तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ थी. पानी का बहाव जो था तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ था. And that is why she fell into that. She was swept along with that. Clear? She was washed away by the current. अब क्या हुआ? लहरों के साथ जो है तो वो बह गई. लहरें उसे अपने साथ बहा ले गई. The bee became helpless. अब वो नादार थी, उसे मदद की ज़रूरत थी बहुत ज़्यादा. She was helpless. Then a dove was sitting on a tree branch nearby. अब क्या है? एक फाख्ता जो थी तो वो वहाँ पर करीब एक दरख्त के शाख में बैठी हुई थी. She saw the drowning bee. Drowning means डूबते हुए को. Clear? She took pity on her and decided to save its life. Pity on her means उसे तरस आया. She plucked a leaf and dropped it near the bee. She climbed on it. Soon her wings dried and flew away. A few days later, now see what happened to the dove, and the bee is going to repay the goodness, the good deed of the dove. Clear? A few days later, a hunter came. He aimed at the dove. Luckily, खुशकिस्मती से, he aimed at the dove. उसने फाख्ता को अपना निशाना बनाने की कोशिश की. Means निशाना बनाया. Clear? The bee saw the hunter. She flew to the hunter and stung him on the hand. The hunter missed his aim. Missed his aim means उसका निशाना खता हो गया. The dove flew away. She thanked the bee for timely help. So the moral is, do good, have good. कर भला तो होवे भला. Clear? Please write it neatly in your notebook of English B. Now let us move towards the second one story, that is The Farmer and the Snake. एक किसान और snake Sam. Once upon a time, this one is also really very important and really very interesting story. And most of the stories, dear students, most of the stories in these lectures have been taken from 5 years papers, so you need to make it learn. Clear? Once upon a time there was a farmer. He used to go his field regularly. वो क्या है, वो हमेशा, वो हर रोज़, वो रोज़ाना क्या करता था, अपने खेतों पर जाता था. One day he was returning home from his fields. एक दिन वो अपने खेतों से वापस घर लौट रहा था. He saw a snake almost frozen on account of cold. अब क्या देखा उसने? He saw a snake, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा शदीद सर्दी की वजह से क्या हो गया था, फ्रोज़न था, मुंजमद हो गया था, फ्रीज़ हो गया था. He took pity on it. अब उसने क्या किया? रहम खाया उस पर. And carried it home in his basket. और अपने साथ टोकरी में उसे घर ले आया. He placed it near the fire and his children gathered around it. अब उसने क्या किया? उसे आग के इर्द गिर्द, आग के करीब रख लिया और उसके बच्चे जो थे तो उसके इर्द गिर्द इकट्ठे हो गए. Clear? Then all of a sudden it rushed at one of his children. अब उसके बच्चों में से एक पर वो झपट पड़ा. Yes, after a few minutes. Yes, extremely sorry, I have missed the previous two sentences. The previous one sentence, please go back to that. After a few minutes, कुछ ही लम्हे बाद, कुछ ही मिनटों बाद, it began to move about. इसने हरकत शुरू की. किसने? सांप ने. All of a sudden it rushed at one of his children. और अचानक उसके बच्चों में से एक पर झपट पड़ा. It began. All right. So, but the farmer saw it. लेकिन किसान ने उसे वक्त पर देख लिया and killed it on the spot with a stick. और एक छुरी से उसे उसी जगह पर मार दिया. Before it could bite his son. इससे पहले कि वो उसके बेटे को ढस लेता. So, what moral can we take from this? What lesson can we take from this story? That is none than other, nature cannot be changed. Clear? So, dear students, today we discussed two stories. One with the title The Dove and the Bee, the other with the title The Farmer and the Snake. You need to highlight the important terms within the stories as well as attempt it neatly. Clear? And you need to write all the stories in your notebook of English PE. Your today's homework is to learn and write these both stories. Clear? Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.